You could be losing up to 20% of your car's power right now and not even know it. No dashboard warning, no check engine light, but your car feels sluggish, your MPG is dropping, and throttle response is gone. The culprit? A filthy throttle body. Mechanics charge up to $300 to clean it. But today, I'm showing you how to do it at home in under 30 minutes with less than $15 in supplies. This trick works on nearly every car, and the performance gains, you'll feel them instantly. Stay with me. This might be the easiest horsepower you'll ever unlock. Section 1. Why the throttle body matters, the gateway to power. Think of the throttle body as your engine's lungs. It controls how much air enters the combustion chamber every time you hit the gas. A clean throttle body means crisp acceleration and efficient fuel burn. A dirty one? Hesitation, poor idle, stalling, even failed emissions tests. Over time, carbon buildup from the crankcase ventilation system and EGR valve coats the throttle plate and bore, especially in stop-and-go traffic or short drives where the engine doesn't reach full temperature. Top mechanics agree. Throttle cleaning is one of the most overlooked performance maintenance jobs, yet one of the most impactful. Section 2. Symptoms of a dirty throttle body. Are you already affected? Before we dive into the cleaning process, ask yourself, does your car hesitate when accelerating? Is your idle rough or erratic? Have you noticed a drop in MPG? Does your throttle feel sticky or unresponsive? Is your check engine light on with codes like P2119, P2101, or P0507? These are the telltale signs, but even without symptoms, carbon buildup starts as early as 30,000 miles. Pro tip, if you have drive-by-wire, electronic throttle, even tiny amounts of carbon can mess with airflow readings and throttle response. Section 3. Tools and materials, what you need and what to avoid. The good news? You don't need a toolbox full of pro gear. You'll need throttle body cleaner, not carb cleaner, a clean microfiber cloth, a toothbrush or soft detailing brush, flathead screwdriver or socket set to remove air intake tube, safety gloves and goggles. Optional, OBD2 scanner to reset codes. Do not use brake cleaner, WD-40, harsh abrasives or metal brushes. Throttle body cleaner is specially designed to dissolve carbon without damaging sensors or coatings. Section 4. Step-by-step cleaning guide. Safe, effective, and fast. Step 1. Disconnect the battery. Why? Some electronic throttle bodies need a reset. Plus, safety first. Step 2. Remove the air intake duct. Loosen clamps or screws and move the tube away to expose the throttle body. Step 3. Inspect the throttle body. Use a flashlight. Look for black soot around the plate and bore. Step 4. Open the throttle plate for cable systems. Manually rotate the linkage. For electronic throttle bodies, do not force it. Clean only what you can see. Step 5. Spray cleaner onto the cloth or brush. Avoid spraying directly into the throttle body unless instructed by your service manual. Step 6. Gently scrub carbon deposits. Wipe, brush, and clean the edges of the plate and inner wall. Rotate the plate to clean behind it, if safe. Step 7. Let it dry. Throttle cleaner evaporates quickly, but give it a minute. Step 8. Reassemble everything. Reconnect the intake tube. Reconnect the battery. Step 9. Idle relearn, if needed. Some cars need to relearn idle RPM after cleaning. Let it idle for 10 minutes or follow the procedure in your manual. Section 5. Drive results. What to expect immediately after cleaning. Once your throttle body is clean, here's what you'll likely notice. Quicker throttle response, smoother idle, increased MPG, 1 to 3 MPG boost in some cases, reduced hesitation or stalling. Pro drivers even report better transmission shifting in automatics due to improved throttle input signals. Some vehicles may idle high for a few minutes post-clean. This is normal as the ECU relearns airflow. Section 6. When not to clean. Important warnings and exceptions. Not every throttle body should be cleaned DIY style. Don't clean if the surface is coated with a special non-stick compound. Check manual. You have a sealed intake system with sensors you can't access. Your check engine light is related to throttle position sensors. These may require professional recalibration. If in doubt, consult your manufacturer or a certified mechanic. Section 7. Advanced tips. Pro-level tricks for extra power. Want to take your results to the next level? Clean your MAF sensor, mass air flow, located near the air filter. This sensor controls fuel mix. Use MAF specific cleaner only. Reset your ECU. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes after cleaning to reset fuel trims. Check for intake leaks. If hoses are brittle or cracked, replace them. A clean throttle body is useless with vacuum leaks. Upgrade your air filter. High-flow filters complement throttle body cleaning for maximum airflow. Use a fuel system cleaner. Add one to your gas tank every 5,000 miles to prevent future buildup. Section 8. Myth busting. What mechanics know that drivers don't. Let's bust a few myths. Myth. My car is new. I don't need this. False. Even new cars experience carbon buildup within 10,000 to 15,000 miles, especially on direct injection engines. Myth. The dealership cleaned it at my last service. Doubtful. Most standard services skip throttle cleaning unless specifically requested. Myth. Additives do the same job. Not quite. Fuel additives help combustion chambers, but do little for throttle plates. Myth. Only performance cars benefit from this. Wrong again. Minivans, hybrids, and sedans all benefit from restored airflow. Section 9. Latest trends. What the industry is saying in 2024 to 2025. The automotive world is waking up to airflow tuning as part of eco-efficiency. Turbocharged engines. Smaller turbos equals higher airflow sensitivity. Keeping the throttle clean is critical. Stop-start systems. More startups equal more condensation equal more deposits. Electric throttle adaptation. Newer ECUs adjust to carbon buildup, but you still lose efficiency over time. Leading brands like Toyota, Hyundai, and Ford now recommend throttle cleaning at 30,000-mile intervals, sometimes sooner for city driving. Section 10. What the pros say. Real mechanic advice. We reached out to certified ASE technicians and master tuners for real insights. Every performance tune I do starts with throttle and MAF cleaning. You can't calibrate power on a dirty engine. I've fixed dozens of cars with rough idle by cleaning the throttle body alone. It's the cheapest fix that works. It's not a myth. Drivers call me back days later and say, my car feels brand new again. Section 11. Maintenance schedule. How often should you clean it? General rule of thumb. Every 30,000 miles for most drivers. Every 15,000 if mostly city driving, short trips, or stop-and-go traffic. Before emissions tests or long trips. Combine it with air filter replacement or spark plug service to save time. Now it's your turn. Have you ever cleaned your throttle body? Did you feel the difference? Was your idle smoother? Your power stronger? Drop your story in the comments. We read everyone. Know someone whose car feels sluggish but they say, it's fine? Share this with them. They'll thank you later. There you have it. One dirty part, one can of cleaner, one afternoon, and potentially hundreds of dollars saved, not to mention horsepower regained. This is what smart drivers do. They learn, they act, and they get results without waiting for a mechanic to tell them what's wrong. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more brutally honest car hacks, and comment below what you want us to show you next. Remember, if your car feels tired, it might just need to breathe again.